This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Toyota Entune infotainment system, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and satellite radio. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Holman Toyota Scion is pleased to offer the pre-owned 3-day guarantee. Backed by over 87 years of family-owned traditions, we are committed to making your buying and ownership experience all about you, our customer. Come in and find out for yourself today why our name means a great deal.